Welcome back to the Simple Workshop. Well, we're going to try to make a simple vintage top today. If you remember this piece of scrap wood from our last project, we're just going to utilize this and a little dowel rod. Well, let's get started. Okay, I drew up a little circle here for the top. We have a dowel rod and a handle here. We'll just cut this out using my saber saw or scroll saw or saber saw or jigsaw, whichever one you prefer to call it. And we'll assemble after that. Alright, I drew myself a circle with a compass and I have the center. I'm going to drill the inside a 3/8 dowel. So I'm going to use my drill press here and drill myself a hole. Alright, set up my saw here. Jigsaw plugged in, C-clamper down, and we'll cut the rest of the circle out. Have ourselves a nice little circle for a dog. Sand that around, and then we'll take this piece. See, we already sketched this out. We'll cut this out. There. Now I have myself a nice little handle. I'm going to put a hole here just so I can put a string through. Alright, I have this little flat end here. I'm going to mark the center of this, that way I can drill a hole straight from the top to the bottom. My dowel rod will go through that. We'll also sand this around just to make things much more presentable. Sand that around too. Back to the drill press. There. Now I know that hasn't gone all the way through, so I'm going to put a little brace underneath it, or a little piece of wood underneath it to help me out. And that should take care of that. There, we have a hole all the way through. Okay, I went with an 1.25" hole saw, so I can have a nice clean, fairly large hole for the dowel rod, so I can pull a string through it. I always like the reverse, that way I get a nice clean cut hole on both sides. And there we have it. Alright, now we're going to do ourselves a little sanding and smooth this all around. Alright, I got a 7/16 dowel rod right here. What I did, I got to put a taper on here so the top can spin. I keep it round. I'm going to just turn around and I got my sander and put it on the edge here. I'm just going to roll it back and forth and sand until I get a decent tip. That actually didn't take very long. A nice taper on that. That should spin very well. Let's measure this out here. There with the top. My final cut's going to be somewhere around there, so I'm going to cut it long to begin with. There I can chuck it up in a drill, put this on, and I can sand this around a little bit more. I'm going to cut this off now. Quick and easy. Actually don't look too bad. I'm going to sand this around a little bit by running the drill. Alright, not too bad. It spins pretty good. Kinda. Alright. See, now I'm going to need a hole for a string. Just have an 1/8 inch drill bit. Put it right in here. There, little piece of sandpaper to smooth it out a little more. Every time you buy a dowel, it usually has a rough edge on it. There, I'll finish cutting this off and then we'll get a string. Alright, I got my string here. It's an old shoelace I clipped the end off of. Slide it in the hole. And there we are, one top. Alright, there you have it, vintage top. Well, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell. And I'll see you next time at Simple Workshop.